Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm doing a quick review on Freepik. Now Freepik AI has to do with images, icons, videos, audios, templates, mockups, 3ds, and more. What am I talking about? It's an all-in-one AI creative suite with the highest quality assets. Explore and create unique on-brand visuals, images, video, audio, and so much more. What can I help you create? Just type it in. So you can get everything: AI assistance, AI image generation from words to images, AI video generation to help you create stunning videos from text or images, video editor to create video projects instantly. We have reimagine, so variations with AI. You give them the real one. This is AI variation. Upscale to increase resolution and details. We have retouch to replace the details easily. Background remover to erase any image in the background. AI voice generation for giving you pro quality voiceover in seconds. Custom characters, you can create characters and exploit their possibilities. Custom style, you can generate content with a consistent look. Mockup generator, designs on apparel, devices, packaging. Designer to edit templates from your browser. Image editor to edit photos online, no software is even needed. Expand to resize any image, filling the gaps with AI. Also have AI icon generator to create icons in seconds with AI. Sketch to image. The sketch becomes an image from doodle to whatever you imagine. You can discover more by exploring it here. So you can save it with 50% on all annual premium plans. We have millions of assets ready to go. Vectors, photos, illustrations, icons, videos, templates, PSD, mockups. Trusted by millions of creative teams, marketers, and designers. You can check out what is getting the most oohs on Freepik right now. People's videos, recycle symbols, workbook the images, so many great stuff you can do. You can see them. Then get inspired by discovering thousands of amazing images created by Freepik's AI artists. You can see them in their description. So much more. So beautiful, so captivating, so engaging, and colorful. So Freepik is growing every second. You can sign up for free. You have the great achievements they have, subscribers, and so much more. You can create funny videos with AI. You can see it here, just from prompt or an image, or without leaving Freepik or using external software. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free and get started.